こんにちは。Welcome to フリフリキッチン。Today, Moo is going to make rice paper steamed vegan dumplings. These steamed vegan dumplings are kind of cheat version of Chinese crystal dumplings, featuring the same translucent and chewy texture wrappers. Moo makes these classic dim sum dumplings with rice paper, making them faster and easier, although the texture and the looks are very similar to crystal dumplings. The fillings are made with tofu, shiitake mushrooms, water chestnuts, and spring onions. These vegan dumplings are easy to make at home and super enjoyable. Okay, let's get started. Wrap 100 grams of farm tofu in a couple of pieces of kitchen paper. Gently squeeze out excess water by hand and place it in a bowl. Finely dice 5 shiitake mushrooms, about 50 grams. Finely dice 70 grams of water chestnuts. And mince 1 spring onion. Add them to the bowl. Add 1 grated clove of garlic and a little piece of grated ginger, about 1 teaspoon. Crumble and add half a cube of vegetable stock. If you use a small cube like OXO, use 1 cube. Add 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, 2 pinches of white pepper, and 1 tablespoon of cornflour or potato starch. Mix everything by hand until well combined. The filling is done. Next, let's assemble the dumplings. Moo is using 8.5 inches or 22 centimeters round rice paper. Cut each rice paper into 4 quarters. Cut 6 sheets of rice paper to make 24 pieces for 12 dumplings. Prepare warm water in a shallow dish. Pick up 2 pieces of rice paper. Dip and wet them. Then overlap the pointed sides of the rice paper to make the middle thicker. And lay them on a clean work surface. Place a tablespoonful of the filling in the center of the rice paper. Wait a bit until the rice papers are softened. Bring the edges together to enclose the filling. And pinch to form a pouch. Repeat this process to make 12 dumplings. Place the dumplings on a steam basket lined with parchment paper. Leave some space between each dumplings and make sure the edges of the parchment paper do not fit too tightly so the steam can circulate properly, and cover with a lid. Boil water in a pan. Set the steamer basket in place. Make sure the water does not touch the bottom of the basket, and steam the dumplings over high heat for about 8 minutes. Meanwhile, let's quickly make a dipping sauce. In a small bowl, place 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar and 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. And if you want, add a bit of sesame oil or rayu chili oil and mix. transfer the steamed dumplings to a serving plate and serve with the dipping sauce or your choice of dipping sauce. できた! Mumu, how does it taste? Okay, Mumu said she loves the chewy texture and flavorsome filling. These rice paper dumplings are absolutely delicious and easy to make. She has a lot of fun making and eating this homemade dim sum. Thank you for watching Furi Furi Kitchen. ありがとう! If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe, and see you next time. Bye bye! またね!